Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. In this lecture, we are going to learn about how you can start the Hadoop services. Now, there are many people they want to start their career with the Hadoop, and obviously you may have set up the Hadoop cluster on your machine, local machine, and now it is a time to start with the practice. And in order to start the Hadoop practice, we need to start the Hadoop services. So in this lecture, I'll discuss about how you can start the Hadoop services and then how you can access your HTTPS. Also, I will show you how you can access your HTTPS through the web UI. So this is what we are going to learn in this lecture. Before I start, I would request you to please like, subscribe and share this channel. And if you are looking for Hadoop training, you can definitely reach out to me. So this is my website, and if I go to my VMware setup, here I can see that the Hadoop is already installed over here. Let me log in with my user. So okay, this is my Hadoop cluster, guys. Okay, and let me try to take the remote of this Hadoop cluster from the outside, and that is always a good idea. So I'm just opening a new session where Hadoop configuration is already placed. Okay, so this is my IP address of my Hadoop cluster. Let me check the connection. Yes, it is looking good. Okay, so I'm opening a duplicate session. Yes, I got the console. I'm entering my user ID and the password of Hadoop, and this is a user who is having all the privileges to start the Hadoop daemon. Now there are multiple shell scripts are there. Basically these are the scripts. These are the script which you can use to start the Hadoop services. So the first script that I want to tell you here, that is start all.sh. If I fire this command, what it will do, it will try to run and start your all the Hadoop related services like your data node, name node, job tracker, task tracker and your resource manager. Everything it will get started with the single command. Basically this command will be used from the master. You can just write down this command and fire it from the master server, and it will start all the services. Okay, before that, if I fire this command, JPS command, I don't see any services is running right now. I don't see data node, I don't see name node, nothing is there. But let me fire this command, start all.sh. When I fire this command, it will start all of your services related to the Hadoop. So it will take some time. If you think that you have made some mistake and you want to stop that, it has also given the option to use Ctrl+C, but at this point I am okay to start with the Hadoop services. So it is going to take some time, and it is starting the name node, data node, and one by one each and every services it is getting started. It has also started the secondary name node. So I can see name node is already started, data node is done, secondary name node, resource manager, node manager, everything got started, guys. Okay, so this is a single command through which you can start your all the Hadoop services. If I fire JPS command now, I can see all the services has been started. Okay, now by any chance, if you want to stop all the services, let's say you want to stop the Hadoop cluster itself, you can use stop all.sh. So we have two commands are there. One is start all.sh and another command is stop all.sh. So this will stop your all the services which we just started. And JPS is the command which will tell you what are all services are running on the Hadoop cluster at this point. This kind of activity will be performed by the Hadoop admin, and usually Hadoop developer will not have the access to this. Now if I see JPS command, I don't see anything is running over here. Okay, apart from this, if you want to specifically start some of the services, we can do that. Let me show you. So we have a command start dfs.sh. If I fire this command, it will start your only name node and data node. Okay, only name node and data node and secondary name node also it will get started. But if you observe here, it has not started your node manager or resource manager. These services has not started. So I can see that data node, secondary name node and name node, only 3 services has been started. So it is all depend upon your purpose only, which command you want to use. Let's say you want to start all the services, use start all.sh. If you want to start some specific services like data node or name node, you can use start dfs.sh. Again, if you want to stop the same thing, you can use stop dfs.sh. As we have fired the start dfs.sh command, it has started the services like your data node, secondary name node, your name node. So these are the three services it has started. Okay. Now let's assume that I want to start my yarn related services. Okay. Before I go with the yarn related services, if I want to, use this command along with the stop. So what it will do, it will stop my data node, secondary name node and name node. So DFS, start DFS or stop DFS is mainly related to the Hadoop services like your name node, data node and secondary name node. Okay, now if I fire this command, I don't see any services are running over here. Now let me run the command one more time. Start dfs.sh. What it will do, it will start my name node, data node and secondary name node. But it has not started anything related to the resource manager like yarn. Right? So let's try to understand how you can start yarn related services. For that we have start yarn.sh. If I fire this command, it will start my resource manager and node manager. Okay. If I fire the JPS command now, I can see all the services has been started, including my name node, data node, resource manager, secondary name node, everything. Apart from this, if you just use replace start with stop yarn.sh, it will only stop the services related to the name node manager and resource manager. So there are several commands we have seen till now. We have seen the command like start yarn.sh, which is starting your yarn related services, stop yarn.sh, which will stop your yarn related services, stop dfs.sh, which will stop only name node and data node and secondary name node. Then we have start dfs.sh, which will start your name node, data node. And apart from this, we have seen start all.sh and stop all.sh, which is a combination of your these two command. Actually, basically it will start your all the services. We need to use this command from the master server. Okay, so these are all very important commands related to the Hadoop, and we must use it whenever you are in whenever you are working as a Hadoop developer or admin based on your company profile. Okay, thank you so much. Please do like, subscribe and share this channel. If you have any suggestions, anything, please put it into the comment section and also like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.